and I'm going to make a chair out of them. And I've got a hammer, I'm going to smash them. I won't need any help. Come on, I'll show you what I'm going to do. Here's my pallet, and I'm going to chop it down here. And I'll show you my big axey sword. And this is my saw. It's a bit rubbish. It's covered in cement and saw. I'm going to cut it down here on the pallet. And that's going to be in the back of my chair. This saw is rubbish. I know where Daddy's bigger saw is, and it's a chainsaw. Because we don't want to make the garage so messy. I've got my ears and eyes here. Safety first. Right, I need to get this chainsaw started. Centimeters. I've just got to measure some planks to sit on. Now I need to cut it here and move that to there. This is the part I'm going to sit on, and this is not the part which I'm going to sit on. We have to cut that bit. I need to knock this lamp out, and I got a hammer, a really heavy hammer. Sorry. I've got it, I've done it, and now I've got to put it into my chair. Take it to the garage and then I'm going to hammer it back in. Now I've chopped this out, I need to put it in there. On the side, because this will be a chair leg and the other one's going to be here, and then I'm going to and you see here I've got Daddy's nail gun. That's actually really is a gun, but it's actually a different kind of gun that shoots out nails, and it goes like pts, pts, chair, but it's it's not quite finished. So as you can see, we've made the chair, and I'm going to do some sanding to make all the spiky bits not here, because it will spike us if we sit on it. So yeah. All of his tools, and thanks for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy them.
Shut up and sit down.